Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel and good to see you again. If it's your first time here and you enjoy this content, please click the subscribe button and ring the bell for future notifications. Today I'm doing this highlight video for Charlie Dog 84 who reached out to me this morning about a post office that has a serious issue. One of the postal employees decided it was smart to come from around the counter and strike Charlie in the face just for taking pictures in public. Link for Charlie's channel is in the description. Get over there, like, share, and subscribe. Let them know News Now Ninja sent you, and here we go.
Say, man, you work for DeSoto?
Hired by them, yeah.
I just want to say thank you, man.
Oh, you're very welcome.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, we're hoping to get better sidewalks.
Shoot, we need them over there on that business end.
Yeah, we need ramps.
Yeah?
We need better crosswalks. We need less joint damage like this.
Yeah, it's pretty messed up. It's pretty messed up over here. But I do appreciate you, man. Thank you so much.
Okay, you're very welcome.
Let me try to go and get out your way.
Safe out there, brother. Be safe.
I try to, man. Signs. Look. They look like trash. At least my flag's up. Excuse me. Can I take a look at that note right there? There goes your rules and regulations right there. The rules and regulations are right there in there too. You're 11/5/2008. $15.50, a large box, $21.90. I think that's what I'm going to eat. No, I'm just here at the post office. I want to ask them a couple questions, and we'll go from there. I'm about to go to the house. I already ran 2 errands I had to take care of. What's my phone bill and that ticket? But I just want to see how much what it costs to ship a bike. Because one of my cousins want a bike, and I told him that all he has to do is pay for the shipping and handling. So I'm gonna see how much it costs. I'm gonna box it up and ship it to his ass.
one picking up? Yeah, you got that on camera?
Yeah.
You can't record in here.
You see that?
Yeah, you can't record in here.
Call the police.
Huh?
Call the police.
I don't have a problem doing it.
All right.
But you can't record in here.
Sir, I don't want no confrontation with you.
Huh? Well, get out if you don't want no confrontation. Because this is a federal building.
I know what it is, sir.
Well, act like it.
Oh, I sure will. I sure will. And let them know Mr. Dominguez is here. Mr. Dominguez. If they gonna tell you, leave him alone, go about your business.
Hey, nah. I got an idiot in here recording in the
He said I was an idiot.
229 South Coast, DeSoto Post Office.
DeSoto Post Office.
He's recording in the post office. With his phone.
With my phone. On YouTube. On YouTube.
He's not supposed to be recording
On YouTube.
in this federal building.
YouTube, sir. Live.
We have
Charlie Dog 84.
We have people's information, private information on their mail and everything.
Charlie Dog 84 on YouTube Live. Let them know.
It's
Blue pants,
he a little
striped shirt,
with some dirty Texas
sandals,
sandals,
gray socks. Gray socks, sir.
camouflage.
Camouflage head, short hair,
Camouflage hat.
Hispanic.
He's Hispanic.
Give him my name, sir, Mr. Dominguez.
No.
Mr. Dominguez?
He's just being a disturbance by
I really not.
coming in here recording.
You said I was a disturbance. Shit.
And I want to remove it with a no trespass. All right.
But you want to track it down, I want to do that. Is there anything that is tracking?
Yeah, you see. He doesn't have permission to record inside the post office or anyone facing the post office. Hey, get that out.
Please don't touch me. That's all I'm asking you. Please don't touch me. Please don't touch me. Oh, he just hit me. Did y'all see that? He
You don't
just hit
have
me.
permission
You
to
just hit me.
record me.
Please step back from me. You just hit me in my face. Please step back.
You don't have permission
Please
to-
step back. Please step back. You just hit me in my face. I want to file charges. He just hit me in my face. There's cameras here. I do appreciate it. Please call the laws.
Ready. Antoine ready.
Antoine Gritted. He just hit me in my face.